No matter how high stakes are or where the story takes them, each book and film in the Harry Potter series certainly centers around the titular wizards. Of course, Harry is far from capable of handling things on his own, which allows his supporting characters to step up. Each of the 8 movies that released has someone who managed to shine almost as bright as Harry, or in some cases, they are even better. They could be beloved friends, hated enemies, wise mentors, comedic relief, or any number of things, but they were always among the highlights of their given films. And in this video, we're gonna find out the 6 characters for entire Harry Potter series that are most favorites of fans and happens to be the best characters of Harry Potter movies of all time. But before starting the video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so you won't miss any update. And you can also follow me on Instagram to see iconic memes of Harry Potter, link is in the description. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 6. Rubeus Hagrid. As Harry was introduced to the wizarding world in the first film, he needed a guide who could also lead the audience into the wonders of this situation. The guide would be Rubeus Hagrid, who picked up Harry from staying with his aunt and uncle and bonded with the youngsters. Not only did Hagrid work as someone to assist the viewers, but he also proved to be likable and a great friend to Harry. Hagrid is the key to the plot, with him retrieving the Sorcerer's Stone and accidentally given away how to get past Fluffy. Throw in his subplot with the dragon he adopted, and Hagrid was a huge part of this film. And there is no deny to say Hagrid is a big part of Harry Potter franchise. Number 5. Remus Lupin. Considering the defense against the dark arts teachers for Harry's first 2 years at Hogwarts were both villainous, it would make sense to be wary of Remus Lupin in The Prisoner of Azkaban. Thankfully, Lupin was not only a good guy but likely Harry's best and the favorite professor. Lupin made the classes fun as he had them to do things like battle Bogarts in the one of the franchise's funniest scenes. There was also Lupin's connection to Harry's parents as well as his godfather Sirius, and the way he helped Harry with conjuring a Patronus charm. Lupin was one of the series' best and most heroic character, and this is where it all started. Number 4. Cedric Diggory. Harry's biggest rival at the school was always Draco Malfoy, but that was a very antagonistic feud. He had a different rivalry with Cedric Diggory in that it was more friendly and based on respect and healthy competition. That all started in the Goblet of Fire, which was the only time Cedric Diggory appeared. He competed in the Triwizard tournament against Harry but had his back on several occasions. He also had more of the right to the trophy since he didn't illegally enter at the event. Cedric was a good friend, a smart student, and proved himself to be brave. His death ended up being something of a catalyst for the darker tone the movie would take going forward. Number 3. Luna Lovegood. After witnessing Cedric's death and having nobody believe him about Voldemort's return, Harry was somber and something of a loner in the Order of the Phoenix. He found unexpected solace in Luna Lovegood, who also shared some of his trauma and could relate to him in ways that others cannot. That made Luna one of the standouts in a film that felt like a true ensemble piece. Harry went to a final battle with several friends, and Luna got in some key moment ahead of the likes of even Ron and Hermione. Her scene with Harry stabilized them as legitimate friends, and Luna became a fan favorite. Number 2. Albus Dumbledore. Although Albus Dumbledore had always been around to give Harry advice, he was never more prominent than in The Half-Blood Prince. Dumbledore picked up Harry almost at the start of the movie and embarked on several adventures with him throughout the film. This gave audience more of an insight into not only Dumbledore as a person but also into his relationship with Harry. He put himself in mortal peril to get to the Horcruxes, figured out how to defeat Voldemort, and made the ultimate sacrifice in the end. His death would have been sad regardless, but that's hit even harder due to how good he was in the Half-Blood Prince movie. Severus Snape. In many ways, Severus Snape could be argued as the greatest character in the series. He served as an antagonist for Harry, and killing Dumbledore officially cemented him as a top villain. That all changed in the Deathly Hallows Part 2 as Snape's true intentions were revealed. He was not on the screen for long after that event, but the scene where his past was shown is likely the film's best scene ever. Viewers saw that Snape always loved Harry's mom and was working on the good side from the start. With everything being planned, there were characters who had bigger roles in the Harry Potter movies, but none of them had the impact of Snape. So thanks a lot for watching Potterlad. So this was the video about the 6 best characters from Harry Potter movies. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you will get notified each time I upload my videos. And also, if you want iconic and funny memes of Harry Potter, then I got an Instagram account, Potterlad, link is in the description, so you can follow me there. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.